It's Rory here, coming at you live from Bustleton. I'm just about to jump on a bus and head back to Perth. So, I'm going to give you guys a bit of a guide on what sort of food to buy for long bus trips. A lot of people go on long bus trips. The one I'm about to go on is 3 hours. And a lot of people have no idea what to buy. So I'm going to break it down for you and give you some hints and some tips. To catch a bus back to Bustleton, a 3.5 hour bus. So I'm going to give you my 5 tips on what you should pack and what you should have for a long bus journey. So first and foremost, obviously if you get a bit peckish on the bus, you should pack some snacks. So what I recommend, there's variations of different things you can take. I recommend muesli bars. They're pretty cheap. Muesli bars or granola bars, usually full of protein, carbs, keep you full, good snack, easy to eat, and they're easy to carry as well. The other thing I recommend is you can get like liquid breakfast like these. They're pretty good, usually full of protein. The other one is fruit. Fruit can be a bit fiddly, obviously. Dried fruit's usually recommended, but these mandarins were cheap in season, and you can just chuck the skins into a little bag and then chuck them away. The other thing is you can get like a big tub of hummus. You don't have to get a massive one, but I prefer to get a big kilo one because they're usually more economically viable than buying the small ones. And to go with that, you usually buy some raw veggies. So in this instance, I've got some carrots that I just break up in little sticks and dip it into the hummus. You can also get celery. In this case, I don't have any celery. The other thing is you can get some crackers. Now, the crackers are usually pretty good to have as a bit of a snack with the hummus. Obviously, hummus is full of protein, which is pretty good. The other thing I recommend is stay hydrated. You don't want to be sipping on vodka or anything. Water is the way to go. You can get one of these. This is 1.1 litres. It keeps your water cold for 12 hours and hot for, I think it's 24. Maybe it's the other way around, I can't remember. But it's very good. You can buy it from the supermarket. Don't cost much. And obviously you can carry 1.1 litres of water, which is a fair amount. The other thing I recommend is comfortable clothing. So as you can see, I'm wearing tracksuit pants. I've got just a loose shirt on and then like a loose fitting kind of flannel like sort of jumper over the top. You want to wear comfortable clothing. You don't want to wear anything too tight. You won't be comfortable. So I recommend loose clothing. I'm also wearing a beanie. Well, not at the moment, but I will be. So that's 3 things. So the 4th thing I recommend is the old pillow. Now people are going to laugh. You always see people on the aeroplanes with these, but these are very good for buses. So buses, sometimes the coaches, the seats can go back and forward. Sometimes they don't. If you have a normal pillow, usually they fall down and your neck kind of sits on it like with this, and you get a sore neck. These are excellent. Use them on the plane, but on a long bus ride, they're excellent. You can just sit like this, it doesn't hurt your neck, and keeps you quite comfortable, keeps your posture. So definitely recommend one of these. Now this might seem to be a bit of a controversial one, because taking your shoes off, people think it'll stink out of the place, but it actually doesn't. So if you keep your socks on, you take your shoes off, your feet won't be cramped, you can flex your toes around, your feet around, and you'll be a lot more comfortable. So that's one of my 5th recommendation. And the last thing I recommend is some entertainment. So I'm not saying blast music on the bus. If you're able to, you can. I've got a little portable speaker here. Usually I just put my music on quite low, just rest on my shoulder wherever, and I can listen to my music. Otherwise, earphones are great. You can listen to music that way. Laptops, books, anything to entertain you. So you want food, snacks, water, take your shoes off, clothing, and entertainment. Thanks for watching, everybody. If you haven't done so already, please watch my playlist on my recent Thailand trip, and please enjoy, like, comment, subscribe, and share. Thanks, everyone. See you in the next video.